to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Here's reminding you to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, let's check out the top headlines of the day. Ranveer Singh spotted at the Mumbai airport wearing funky printed pants and listening to rap music. Neha and Rohanpreet sing romantic songs and dance with family at grand reception in Punjab. Priyanka takes a swing at success as she starts shooting again for a new film. Ananya Pandey kickstarts her birthday week with mom Bhavna Pandey sharing an adorable throwback video. Netizen accuses Sonu Sood's charitable acts of being fraudulent.
रोहन अब हार जा।
भाभी जीतना है। भाभी शर्त लगा लो रोहन हारेगा।
हार जा रोहन हार जा।
Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh got married in grand style with their family and close friends, and now pictures have emerged of the newlywed couple with the hotel staff from the venue of their wedding. Neha looks gorgeous as a Nai Naveli Biwi complete with a chuda, while Rohanpreet was back in his signature look of a casual jacket, jeans and t-shirt.
हार जा रोहन हार जा।
Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh made their relationship official on social media a few weeks ago. But शादी के कुछ दिन पहले, they released a new single entitled it Nehu Davya, and everybody was confused कि ये टाइटल सिर्फ एक न्यू सिंगल के लिए है जहां वो पहली बार एज सिंगर्स कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं या एक्चुअल में उनकी शादी हो रही है. But now, after the haldi, mehendi, sangeet, shadi and reception, पक्की खबर है that they are married and have started their journey to living happily ever after. After a traditional Anand Karaj wedding ceremony at a Gurudwara and a fun-filled post-wedding party where Neha princess की तरह chariot पर enter हुई, the couple traveled to Rohanpreet's home जहां उनकी नई बहू नेहा का स्वागत बहुत धूमधाम से किया गया. रोहन के घर के लिए निकलने से पहले the couple seemed to have met staff from the hotel where their wedding functions were held, and a fan page shared pictures of Neha in a beautiful green salwar kameez wearing a red and white chuda like a traditional Punjabi bride. नेहा और रोहनप्रीत अपने पंजाब में होने वाले रिसेप्शन से पहले रोहनप्रीत के घर गए जहां कई पोस्ट वेडिंग रस्में निभाई गई. Videos have emerged of the couple traditional games like दूध में अंगूठी को ढूंढना, which Neha seems to have won. अब तो कोई शक नहीं कि नेहा ही इस रिलेशनशिप में ज्यादा पावरफुल होगी. The couple also cut a cake as a part of the celebrations to welcome them home. नेहा अपने नए ससुराल में बहुत खुश दिखाई दे रही है and she seemed to be enjoying all the rituals organized by her new family to celebrate their wedding. After almost a week of celebrations that included a haldi, mehendi, engagement, wedding and a post-wedding party, जहां से दोनों के कई फोटोज और वीडियोस इमर्ज हुए हैं, singing, dancing and enjoying with their celebrity friends who flew down from Mumbai for this special day. उर्वशी ढोलकिया, उर्वशी रौतेला, मनीष पॉल जैसे सेलेब्स ने अपनी सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल्स पे शादी और पोस्ट-वेडिंग पार्टी के कई फोटो और वीडियो शेयर किए. The couple then hosted a grand reception in Punjab for their family and friends. Neha looked stunning in shimmering white lehenga while her groom looked dapper in a blue suit. The couple seemed to have had a wonderful time singing in their melodious voices for each other and even dancing to Punjabi songs as relatives encouraged a shy Neha to join in and groove to the music. But looks like the couple also took some adorable newly married videos of their own soon after their Anand Karat ceremony. Rohanpreet Singh has shared a new video on his social media page with his bride, जहां दोनों एक साथ अपने नए गाने को गुनगुना रहे हैं. And Neha lifts her husband's palm to reveal कि उन्होंने नेहा का नाम अपने दिल पे ही नहीं, अपने हाथों की लकीरों में भी लिख दिया है. Well, if that's not adorable, then we don't know what is. Here's wishing this radiant, happy couple a very happy married life. And we can't wait to hear them collaborate on many more songs together. Priyanka has always aimed high. फिर चाहे वो अपनी film choices हो या golf. Once PC sets her eyes on something, she very rarely misses her mark. Priyanka, who spent almost 7 months in LA with husband Nick Jonas, is currently in Germany and may be filming for the new Matrix film with Keanu Reeves. After establishing herself as one of the top Bollywood actresses, Priyanka Chopra started the crossover into the West first as a singer and then as an actor in the series Quantico. Priyanka Chopra, who is now married to Nick Jonas, who's an American singer, now divides time between India and America. From her recent social media post, we can tell that she has resumed work and that she's in Germany, and in between shots, she's trying some golf shots as well. Take a look. Priyanka recently shared a slow-motion video on her social media page, jahan she is seen playing golf in a black and grey outfit with white gold shoes. Her hair is pulled into her favorite top knot, and the actor seems to know how to swing a golf club like a pro. The actor, who has never shared her skill or passion for the sport before, seems to have had some practice given how easily she sent the golf ball flying far away into the greens. Priyanka captioned the video, "In between shots, #practice makes perfect." कुछ दिनों पहले PC had shared another picture of herself taking a walk in Germany with her dog Diana. The actor is rumored to be in the country for the filming of Matrix 4 opposite Keanu Reeves, लेकिन इस फिल्म को लेके सारे details strictly confidential रखे गए हैं. Priyanka had shared a picture of herself in an all-white outfit and black mask, taking her favorite little puppy Diana out for a walk. उनके पीछे की वॉल और ग्राफिटी से कुछ लोगों ने ये अंदाज लगाया है कि शायद प्रियंका बर्लिन में है. The actor later revealed कि उन्होंने ये जैकेट अपने डार्लिंग हबी निक जोनस से बोरो किया था. But while she seems to be back on set after a long, unexpected break, Priyanka has had a very productive lockdown as well. She finished working on her memoir, Unfinished, and as she revealed to a newspaper, since Nick and she were finally together for such a long period of time, they even managed to shift into a new home and set it up together. जब उनसे पूछा गया कि इन महीनों में उन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड के साथ दिन रात रहकर क्या सीखा, प्रियंका jokingly replied that she learned that she still likes him even after spending so much time with him. In fact, given their busy schedules, शादी के बाद ये पहली बार है जब प्रियंका और निक इतने महीनों तक एक साथ रह पाए हैं. Priyanka also has another film with Mindy Kaling in the pipeline and is looking forward to the release of a new series, The White Tiger, on a streaming platform, जिसकी publicity हाल ही में शुरू हुई. All the best, PC. We hope you keep hitting it out of the park with every new challenge that comes your way. हजारों लोगों के लिए सोनू सूद किसी देवता या मसीहा से कम नहीं है. लेकिन the actor, who continues to help people in need, to contact him via social media, has been accused by a netizen of conducting a PR exercise and alleged that उनके बताए गए patients के नाम नकली है. While Bollywood actors show their heroism and machoism on screen, Sonu Sood, who is often cast as an antagonist in films, turned out to be a real-life hero during these difficult times. The actor has helped thousands of migrant workers reach home safely by organizing transport for them. He also set up a helpline number where people could actually get in touch with him for any help needed. फिर चाहे वो मेडिकल बिल्स हो या मेडिकल हेल्प हो या फिर किसी जरूरतमंद फार्मर को ट्रैक्टर दिलवाना हो, सोनू सूद मदद करने से पीछे कभी नहीं हटे। अनफॉर्चुनेटली हर किसी को उनकी अच्छाई पर विश्वास नहीं है। The actor, who is perhaps the only celebrity who is continuing to provide financial and other assistance to those in need, has now been accused by a netizen of running a false PR exercise. सोनू को फ्रॉड बुलाते हुए इस नेटिजन ने कुछ डेट्स शेयर किए हैं और अपनी पोस्ट में लिखा है, न्यू अकाउंट, ओनली 2 to 3 फॉलोअर्स, नेवर टैग्ड सोनू सूद, नो लोकेशन मेंशन्ड, नो कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स, नो ईमेल एड्रेस. But Sonu Sood somehow found the post and offered help. Most of the earlier handles who sought help deleted their posts. This is how PR team works. This post accusing Sonu is in reference to an earlier exchange of posts between Sonu and a lady जिन्होंने अपने बीमार बच्चे के लिए सोनू से मदद मांगी थी. Sonu had responded with details of the hospital जहां उन्होंने उनके बच्चे का इलाज ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया था. Responding to the netizens' accusations of him making fraudulent claims of helping people, Sonu shared screenshots of medical receipts and reports from tests conducted on a child and wrote, "That's the best part, brother. I find a needy and they somehow find me. It's about intentions. But you won't understand. Tomorrow patient will be in SRCC hospital. Kindly do your bit. Send some fruits for him. Someone with 2 to 3 followers will be happy to get some love from a man with followers." लेकिन फिर भी सोनू को अक्यूज करने वाले भाई साहब कन्विंस्ड नहीं थे. And he responded to Sonu's clarification with another post where he raised doubts about Sonu's efforts again. See the dates. Reports done 17th September. Surgery done 25th September. Post done 20th October. Help assured on 20th October. Basically, you assured help to someone who already got treated previous month. Time to fire your PR team who has exposed your fraud. Sonu's fans have defended him and the actor has ignored these allegations, responding instead to more people who have reached out to him for help. There is no denying that Sonu Sood has gone above and beyond to serve those trapped by the lockdown और उन्हें हजारों लाखों लोगों की दुआएं और आशीर्वाद मिली है. हम यही उम्मीद करते हैं और होप करते हैं कि लोग उनकी अच्छाई और डेडिकेशन पे फोकस करें, ना कि उन्हें नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश करें. Siddharth है एक pampered mama's boy and he should find a girl who looks after him, says Gauhar Khan in her first interview after exiting the reality show hosted by Salman Khan. But while Gauhar is happy to be back home with her family and rumored boyfriend Zaid Darbar, Jankumar Sanu और राहुल वैद्य के बीच टेंशन से शो पर भी तनाव बना रहा. A popular reality show format where celebrity contestants remain locked up in a house for almost 2 months is witnessing a lot of drama and grabbing a lot of eyeballs like the previous seasons. After the seniors on the show like Siddharth Shukla, Hina Khan and Gauhar Khan exited the show, there were concerns that now the popularity and the drama will lessen inside the house. But with Jankumar Sanu and Rahul Vaidya's infamous nepotism issue on the show as well, has made sure that the audience is hooked on to the show. Gauhar Khan, who was invited back on the reality show format several years after she was a contestant, struck a great bond with other manje hue khiladi, Siddharth and Hina. तीनों शो पे सीनियर्स के टैग से पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे. and they were supposed to mentor the new contestants while also ensuring that audiences were immediately hooked to the show by their popularity. सिद्धार्थ और गौहर का एक क्लिप वायरल भी हुआ था, where सिद्धार्थ jokingly told गौहर, who had accidentally touched him, कि उनकी घर पे गर्लफ्रेंड है. Commenting about this incident, गौहर ने एक entertainment portal को बताया that she doesn't believe कि सिद्धार्थ की कोई गर्लफ्रेंड है और वो सिर्फ मजाक कर रहे थे. Siddharth is very funny when he has to be. He actually has a great sense of humor and he was troubling me at that time. But I don't think he really meant it that I have a girlfriend at home. Speaking about the incident where Siddharth told Gauhar that he would fall in love with her, Gauhar added कि सिद्धार्थ की मॉम ने उन्हें बहुत पैम्पर किया है and he should find someone जो उनका ऐसे ही ख्याल रखे. But while Gauhar is back home and back to reality, on the reality show tensions are running high after an ugly spat between Rahul Vaidya and Jaan Kumar Sanu. राहुल ने जान को एलिमिनेशन के लिए नॉमिनेट करते हुए कहा था कि वो इस शो पर सिर्फ नेपोटिज्म की वजह से है and that he has no identity or personality of his own. He added that he had only got this opportunity because of being Kumar Sanu's son. While Jaan had defended himself against Rahul's comments, he had interestingly said in an interview before joining the show that he was prepared to face such attacks. The name that I carry itself is a very big topic of debate because being the son of a legend itself is going to be a discussion. I don't want to attract wrong publicity and wrong controversies. I have to remember all the time that I belong to a rich, deeply rooted heritage that I am carrying on my shoulders. So my agenda is to show people who Jaan Kumar Sanu is. Nothing more, nothing less. Well, looks like इस सीजन भी मनोरंजन की कोई कमी नहीं रहने वाली. और ये नेपोटिज्म का डिबेट आगे क्या मोड़ लेता है, ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. रणवीर सिंह का स्टाइल है जबरदस्त और सबसे हटके. The actor was spotted at Mumbai airport as he walked in to take a flight in an eye-catching pair of printed trousers and listening to rap music on his speakers. Ranveer Singh, who spent most of his time in lockdown in his house in Mumbai with his wife Deepika Padukone, has finally started stepping out of his home for work. Ranveer, who is very excited about his film 83, which is much delayed, will also be seen in Jayesh Bhai Jordar, where he plays a Gujarati man. Ranveer has also signed a film with his Simba director Rohit Shetty, after which he will start shooting for Karan Johar's magnum opus Takht sometime next year. The actor was spotted by photographers as he took an early morning flight out of Mumbai. लेकिन भले ही सुबह का वक्त था, Ranveer made sure to dress up for the waiting media. He wore a matching black mask, shoes and cap, but we couldn't take our eyes off his bright printed pants, which showed off his fondness for clothes that no one else can pull off. रणवीर ने अपने लुक को एक्सेसराइज किया येलो लेंस वाले ग्लासेस के साथ, which were on a gold chain, adding that extra element of bling and matching the rap music he was listening to on his speakers as he walked into the airport. The actor, जो अपने अतरंगी फैशन चॉइसेस के लिए जाने जाते हैं, is awaiting the release of his films 83 and Jayesh Bhai Jordar, which have both been delayed by the pandemic and the long lockdown that followed. But it seems that Ranveer is not staying put at home anymore. And like many of his colleagues, he has started stepping out with a mask and other necessary precautions. He recently announced a brand new film Circus with his Simba director Rohit Shetty and will also begin work on Takht sometime next year. Lekin filhal it looks like Ranveer is gearing up to leave the city for a while. And whether he is off for a shoot or heading out to meet his wife Deepika, who is shooting in Goa, ये पता नहीं चल पाया. वैसे तो रणवीर सिंह अपनी वाइफ से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, बट ही हैड रिवील्ड इन एन इंटरव्यू कि जूनियर कॉलेज में उन्हें एक लड़की से बहुत प्यार था, जिन्होंने उन्हें डंप किया handsome Aditya Roy Kapoor के लिए। Aditya has now responded to Ranveer's alleged heartbreak story and clarified कि उन्होंने रणवीर की गर्लफ्रेंड को नहीं चुराया था, but admitted that he did date Ranveer's ex for about 8 months after the two broke up. Well, looks like there are more connections between Bollywood celebs than we know. But it's always great to see Ranveer in a jolly mood and wearing clothes that look great only on him. Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while with a lot more stories for you. Ananya Pandey is all set to turn 22 in a few days. But the actor is already a popular movie star, a budding fashionista, and a regular on the covers of many popular magazines. The actor shared a picture of herself on her social media page, looking stunning in a peach and green outfit, while her mother Bhavna Pandey shared a delightful throwback video of little Ananya grooving to music as a baby. It's a special week for Ananya Pandey, who turns 22 on the 30th of October. The young star, who was last seen in Khali Pili opposite Ishan Khattar, which released on an OTT platform, is super excited about her birthday and has started celebrations on her social media page as well. Good-looking and talented, Ananya is one of the most promising young stars in Bollywood and enjoys tremendous popularity amongst the millennial audiences for her youthful energy.
Ishan is really falling. Ishan. Ishan! My badams also fell!
Ananya, who will be 22 in just a few days, has kick-started birthday celebrations early by treating her fans to a sun-kissed picture of herself on her social media page. Posing in a green and peach shirt with statement sleeves and wearing minimal makeup, Ananya flaunted her flawless complexion and gorgeous hair in the picture. Ananya captioned her post, "Scorpio season, #birthday week", followed by a heart emoticon. But Ananya के साथ-साथ उनकी मॉम भावना पांडे भी अपनी प्रिंसेस के बर्थडे को लेके बहुत एक्साइटेड है। Bhavna shared a delightful throwback video of Ananya as a baby. The video has some old school music often heard in kids' movies and songs. And Ananya अपने बेबी क्लोथ्स में मजे से अपने हाथ पैर हिला के डांस करने की कोशिश कर रही है। Bhavna's caption for the video captured her excitement about her daughter's birthday. The proud mommy wrote, "Birthday coming up. I love you, my Anchu." Looks like Ananya's Khali Pili co-star Ishan Khattar is also super excited about Ananya's birthday and made sure to drop a comment on her mother's post. While Ananya was one of the first to react to her mom's throwback video and asked, "What is this fun music? Haha, love ya." Ishan left a milk bottle emoji to tease Ananya, who really looks cute as a baby.
Whom do you love the most in the world? And second?
Ananya, who has been home through the lockdown and had just one OTT release of her film Khali Pili, is looking forward to start on her highly anticipated Pan-India project, where she will team up with South Indian heartthrob Vijay Deverakonda in a film to be directed by Puri Jagannath. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. But you go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. Until next time, it's goodbye.